13 Myths About Buffalo Wings. Buffalo wings are loved for their spicy and flavorful taste, but there are many misconceptions about this popular dish. Here are 13 myths and the truths behind them. Myth: buffalo wings come from a special type of chicken raised in Buffalo. Truth: they are named after Buffalo, New York. There's no special breed of chicken involved. Myth: authentic buffalo sauce is made only from hot sauce. Truth: the original recipe includes both hot sauce and butter. Myth: buffalo wings are always deep fried. Truth: they can also be baked, grilled, or air fried. Myth: buffalo wings are always extremely spicy. Truth: the heat level can be adjusted, and there are even mild or sweet versions. Myth: the original buffalo wings are coated in flour before frying. Truth: the original recipe fries the wings without any coating. Flour is optional. Myth: ranch dressing is the only dipping sauce for buffalo wings. Truth: blue cheese dressing is the traditional pairing. Myth: buffalo wings are not popular outside the U.S. Truth: they are enjoyed worldwide in restaurants and home kitchens. Myth: buffalo sauce is only for chicken wings. Truth: it can be used on drumsticks, cauliflower, and even tofu. Myth: authentic buffalo wings must have the skin on. Truth: there are also boneless buffalo wings. Myth: buffalo wings must always be served hot. Truth: cold buffalo wings can also be delicious, especially in salads. Myth: buffalo wings are only eaten while watching sports. Truth: they are perfect for parties, lunches, or dinners. Myth: buffalo wings are unhealthy. Truth: baking or air frying them makes them a healthier option. Myth: making buffalo wings at home is difficult. Truth: with just a few ingredients, they are easy to prepare at home. Did you believe any of these myths? Let us know in the comments.